Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through submitting your action plan to DEQ in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. From the action plan summary, you will have selected all the resiliency actions that you want to include in your action plan when you submit it to DEQ. Once we are ready, we can select Submit Plan to DEQ, and the tool will display this window. This is the place where you can see if you're missing any important details of your resiliency actions. In this summary, we can see the action plan name, description, basins, and jurisdictions included. To review the plan, we're going to check each resiliency action for completion. There will be warning symbols that indicate if the action is missing any details. If needed, we can add any additional details. To edit an action, we can select it from the list. A new window will open for editing. We saw that our action was missing a funding source, so we can add one from the action's funding profile. Once we have changed our action, we can select Submit Plan to DEQ, and we can see that the funding source has been saved to the action in the draft action plan. Before submitting, you will also want to look for priority resiliency actions. We can select up to 3 resiliency actions to label as priority actions. Once we have selected our priority actions, we can submit our action plan. That's it. You've just learned how to submit your action plan to NCDEQ in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.